What's up? It's your boy Justin. Today we have a dreadlock tutorial. Today we're going to do a 4 flat twist mohawk. Everything I guess that I will be doing is a mohawk style because my hair is cut in a mohawk. So you guys are welcome to take this and flip it how you want to. I'm actually flipping this from how I learned how to do it from Francesca Ramsey, better known as Chescalocs or Chescalocs on YouTube and Twitter and the cool Locs social justice comedian actress world. Anyway, let's get into this look. Well, alright, let's get into this, guys. Okay, step 1. I like to use Jamaican mango and lime island oil. Now this stuff is really good because it helps lubricate the scalp, helps moisturize the scalp, nourishes the roots, gotta get into the roots, and strengthens your locks. This oil also has 6 different types of oils in it. It's got mineral oil, coconut, carrot, tea tree oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, all these good organic oils that are help to just, stimulate good growth and make strong, luscious locks. Alright, on to that next part. Alright, for step 2, we have Jamaican mango and lime no more itch grow spray. This stuff is really good. I also like this stuff. I use it almost every day now. It prevents itchy and dry scalp, longer locks faster, non-greasy fern, prevents breakage, and it moisturizes. And it definitely works with itchy scalp. I have 99 problems and an itch ain't one, I tell y'all for real. I like to use this stuff twice a day, once in the morning, once at night after I shower. And I kind of just spray this all over the scalp. Make sure to get the back, make sure to kind of separate your locks and help with that, and then kind of just massage it in. And that's just usually what I do before I style my hair like I'm doing in this video. Alright, step 3. I like to use Cantu Shea Butter and Leave-In Conditioner. It's a repair cream. We've gotten our scalp taken care of, but now we really need to get our locks, which is like the whole point of this video. We need to get them moisturized too. With winter, definitely you got drier air, there's not as much humidity in the air, so you will definitely want to condition your locks at least once a day. When you do these hairstyles too, you definitely want to really condition it because your hair will be up for a few days at a time, so yeah. Alright, now we get on to the main attraction of this video, the flat twist Dreadhawk. What you want to do first is just part your hair down the middle, or as much of a middle as you can find. I know that some people, when they get their locks, initially started the, we'll say the grid, the main frame of your locks is for some people it can be a lot more tighter or a lot more grid-like. For me, it was a lot more kind of just natural in the way that my beautician started my locks. But yeah, you just kind of create a part down the halfway, tie off one section so you don't have to worry about it, and then you just kind of separate the free section into 2 sections. Just tie off one side, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start on the side closest to the edge. Now what you're doing is you're grabbing the hair and you're rotating it towards the center of your head. So you're doing a twist, but you're doing a twist along the scalp. And so you're going to just kind of keep doing that all the way to the back. You can go all the way down the back of your hair if you want to. I'm just stopping at probably a little bit before the crown of my head and then tying that off. So like I said before, you're just grabbing the hair that's closest to your hairline if you have a mohawk. If you don't have a mohawk, you still want to grab the hair that is furthest away from your crown and then pull the hair over and twist it over the lock towards the center of your head. Once you get to the end, you can either just tie it off with a rubber band. I like to actually use some of the locks and wrap it around the end of it and then take that rubber band and just kind of secure it. If you don't want to use a rubber band, you can also use bobby pins, straight pins. I would recommend just with the locks. But yeah, that's kind of just what you do. And then after you've done that with the one, you kind of just repeat that same step on the next section of hair. Also, the way you rotate your twist kind of also determines how this will look. I like to take the twists and work them towards the center just because it pulls the hair along that line so it looks clear. Alright, and then once you're done with those 2 flat twists, you just take down the other side, do those 2 flat twists, and BAM! Got a full flat twist dreadlock going on. I like this look, especially with the way my hair is dyed, how the brown and blonde kind of just blends in with the black. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Alright guys, so that's the final look. Thank you for tuning in to this flat twist lock tutorial faux hawk thing. Yeah, There'll be more to come later. I'm not sure when, so this is kind of just a trial and error thing. We'll kind of just see how this goes. So until next time, peace.